yard, out behind the cars. Tonight we're gonna do something different. I will make the things that I know how to make. You will make something more delicious. A sweet potato pie, a flimsy paper plate. Baby, I don't think it's much better. There isn't much to keep. We lay down and fall asleep till the morning comes around to find.
Fucking homeboy chilling back there trying to train. Damn near hit my freaking car.
What's coming tomorrow? You can only be changing weather. One day I'll not call if you were there at all. Maybe it was something like a dream. There isn't much to keep. Tonight I hope I fall asleep till the morning comes around to find me. Oh, I still keep with me these little memories. The ones that stick around are the most bittersweet. I know it's getting late. Night is full of such mistakes, but I was hoping that you might wanna talk to me.
Now it's fucking raining. Yep, got rained out. That really sucks. Weatherman, I don't like you. You said it wasn't gonna rain. I waited a day and a half for this place to dry out. I don't like you, weatherman. It's the first time I got to skate in like 2 weeks. My knee's feeling good, and I didn't even barely get to do anything, and it started raining. But tomorrow's another day, and it is another day, another wet day. But look, I have a rough area of dry concrete, so I'm gonna have a flat ground sesh.
Look, started out hopeless, start touching road, now I'm over focused. Now my flow the coldest, I mean that shit, and I ain't just trolling. Pocket full of green, ain't got enough, I ain't got enough. Need that baby money till my niggas lifting bottles up. I'm like, welcome to the good life. I came from top rhyming where it's banging if it's cooked right. Added hot dogs and sardines, looking back it was all green. And I'm finna seize the day, I'm feeling like Cardeem. This new whip, I got a rocket, I'm looking like Hakeem. Elijah want me, I wonder what y'all seen. Me, myself, and I, self-efficient, I'm too extreme. Took the road, less traveled, them lights, it's all green. Hold up. Yeah. 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 Even good things. Yeah. Yeah. Look, even good things. I don't think I'm better, I'm just hurt that homie switched on me. Said I'm younger than been calling me the big homie. In the land of snakes, I'm like Moses with this stick on me. I'm the chosen one, don't forget, homie. Look, dropping these songs weekly. Money coming in, ain't from the streets, this clean squeaky. Working after hours, hella hard, so you can't reach me. 50 songs in, now this getting hella easy. And I put that on me, feel like Yella Beezy. Fuck up the game, now my bank account hella sleazy. And I'm on you niggas' head like I'm selling beanies. With the wise guys and good fellas like I'm Scorsese. I don't know. Yeah. Even good things. Yeah. Even good things.
had to find another little butthole of the parking lot because just getting way too many cars over there coming through. Very distracting, especially that last guy to blare's freaking music. Parked like a couple spots away and just bleh. But let's get back to it. I'm running out of time, energy, and battery. But there's two things that I need to do. I need to do a heel flip, and I need to get a backside flip. I don't know if I should just pick one of those, but let's get it. Let's get it going. That was the first try. I'm not going to argue with it. I know it wasn't the prettiest, but I really want to do a backside flip, and that shows because I learned a flip first try in a long time. I haven't done a heel flip in a long time. So yeah, let's try for some backside flips, guys. That's what happens when you fucking do like a little pushy. Yes! Yes! Oh. Alright, normally I kind of live by the rules too to make it true, and I kind of did too. I got one I was happy with, but I honestly was about to give up because that trick beats up your legs pretty bad, and my toe was already hurting from that varial flip that I landed like this, big toe like that. Ugh. Yeah, like that, and I keep landing like that with the backside flip. Keep hitting my shins, both sides. Oh, lots of stuff. That trick always just beats me up, but I'm stoked to get that one. So I appreciate you guys watching me battle a basic trick. That's one of my favorite tricks. So yeah, if not, then I will see you guys on the next meow.